Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today I bring you a very new and very young gaming related brand. It's called Redmagic, and before this brand they focus on the mobile gaming devices like the gaming phones and the gaming cooling fans and gaming devices that are more related to the mobile devices. But this time, and actually last year in July, they released their first gaming rehearsal products, and also this year they provide 3 gaming devices for PC, and they released the gaming mouse, gaming pad, and the game keyboard. And today we bring you the latest Redmagic mechanical keyboard. And today I'm going to have a quick and short unbox video about this device, and I will introduce the simplifications and features about this device. As you can see, this is a very cool and very traditional box design. In the front of the books, we can find that it's the keyboard pictures, and also here the Redmagic mechanical keyboard, the main features. And also here the 3 main features about the keyboard: is quick response and comfortably rebounds feelings, and also can press and use it very smoothly. And in the other side of the book, you can find the slogan "Win More Games," and also the brand name. And also the back of side of the package, we can also get the keyboard layout, and also here it's the main features about this keyboard. It can support multiple connection ways, method the gas card. It effectively reduce the noise and make the type softer and more elastic. The structure 100 key, and it's equipped with the simplified key arrangement. It's compacted and artist, more simple and more beautiful. And here's the DIY special feelings. Users can easily customize the antenna however they would like. And also the RGB light, background light, bring color to your typing and keyboard command with RGB backlight. And also we can use the buttons, knob control for super convenient volume controls and more. So these are the main features about the device. And next, let's unbox it and check what the final product looks like. And as we can see, after we open the books, here we find 2 things. First is we get accessory books and other accessory books, and also the keyboard itself was protected first by a transparent case, cover. And also here, we find it's a quick guide, user guide. It tells us how to use it and the main functions about this keyboard. And besides this, keyboard is well protected in soft plastic bag. Before we check the keyboard, let's check the accessories within these books. So here they provide a very nice, good quality fiber cable. So it's a fiber cable to the keyboard with the cable mode. Connect the keyboard here with the device here. And also here, I think this brush or some tools to clean and to clean the keyboard. And we can use this tool to take the cap of the keyboard Yeah, here. I think this like this for us to get cap out. And here, this is the bow with the so this is the cable mode. We can try to connect it to the battery, and now we can find that. Yeah, now the keyboard is wake up. Yeah. Okay, now the keyboard is wake up. Whoa, it's so cool. And take a close look at that. Now the button's backlight is very beautiful, colorful light, and we can you see that it have multiple colors supported. And okay, and now here is the full picture of the keyboard buttons. So it's very nice, and when we touch it and press it, we can find that it's very comfortable. And this time it have 100 keys, and just like the mainstream product, but also it's also different. There are 4. They canceled some keys, some functions, or some keys like the print and screen. To cancel it and put the some normal keys layout different, like here insert, home, and page up down. Here they have a different layout, different design here for the keyboard. So this can make the gaming or the users to control it more easily, and it's called saving more space and easily control the keyboard. And this time for the keyboard, it's have a 12 light reflections, and also we can find that it's have a semi-transparent design. Yeah, so it's very nice. We can check it from different angles. Yeah, also here different colors, RGB lights. Yeah, so this is pretty cool. And also we can control the light here through the buttons, and here we can find that we can control the buttons, and we can get different pictures here. Because this time they also provide a 1.47 inch display here. It's very nice. And here is, I think it's the characters created by Redmagic. It's a brand character. Yeah, so this is very nice as well. And also, as we mentioned, these have a gasket, GASKET structures. The up and bottom cap, very narrow gap, and it will not make any noise, so it can bring more quiet type feelings, and also can get a very soft response, control it very comfortably. And also it support 2.4 gigahertz, and also the Bluetooth mode to connect this device to the PC or to the laptop. So this is also very nice, and because for the wireless connect, it support 2.4 gigahertz wireless connect, and also it have a NRF52A32 chips. It's more it can get more connection efficient, and also have a less delay. And for the keyboard, it have a built-in 4000 big battery, since it can support up to 350 standby time. So this is pretty cool. And for this product, we will test more features and talk more about the specifications in other videos one by one, especially for this part. Here we can press it to control it, its volume and efficiency, monitor, keyboard. Yeah, now it's have different reflections, performance. Yeah, here. Yeah. So this is pretty cool, right? You can check it. Yeah, another mode. Just need to rotate, spin this button, and you get different performance. Yeah. Pretty cool. Brightness, colors, languages, English, screen protect. Yeah, so this is very quick. Yeah, videos about this latest product gaming keyboard from Redmagic, and we will have more videos later. And let's check it. You can check it. And thanks for watching. And this is today's unbox video about this product from Redmagic. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.